Good. Dissipate. This is good. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Good start applying the brakes. More. Good. But roll all the way at the end.
Yep.
Colton, wow. Taxi back.
Taxi back, 966 Tango Tango.
Let's continue. Roger. Right turn at the end, runway 24, taxi to Bravo.
Right way at the end, taxi to Bravo, runway 24, 966 Tango Tango.
Wow, Colton.
Smooth and clean,
I
baby.
have no words.
That was perfect.
That was an I thought you learned how to land, but apparently you learned how to do them perfect. Colton! Did you see how good that was?
That was good. Pillow soft.
That deserves a remove glasses moment. I don't just remove the glasses for any landing. Colton, wow.
Very clean.
Wow.
Very clean.
Whew.
Butter smooth.
You got it.
That's right. Instrumented on myself on in. Perfect landing. I'll take my IFR now, please.
Cool. It's like we're at a bar and there's a drink called IFR. I'll take my IFR now, please.
Yeah.